Alright guys, join me on a bike ride of Old Town Valencia. Let's go. It is staggeringly beautiful. This is definitely my type of city, a lot smaller than Barcelona. It is so beautiful. The Gothic type buildings, how well maintained they are, and still going through maintenance now. It's just so beautiful. I'll just keep this rolling for a little while and see where the tour guide stops next. It's nice and peaceful because not many cars can get in here. They obviously limit it, and motorbikes also, so it's mostly just pedestrian traffic and bikes, obviously. There's such diversity to this little city. From the beachside area to an old type suburb behind the beachside area, then this very historic area here, and then you've also got a modern area as well. It's just really beautiful. Wow, look at this ahead. It's like a castle. Massive. Obviously the main attraction of the city, given there's so many people up ahead. But I can see why, it's just stunning. Valencia is fast becoming my favourite city in Spain so far. This tour guide knows where he's going. The other way was just so many people, and he's just taking a brilliant way. I'm going to keep this rolling for a little bit while we wait for the traffic lights here. As you can see, they've also got tour buses in Valencia, well set up for tourists. So many hotels, from hostels to exclusive. They have everything. It's amazing. Looks like we're stopping here, so I'll also stop this here, but that gives you a bit of a snapshot of old Valencia. Hope you enjoyed it. Cheers.